Oh, winter sucks, winter sucks, winter friggin' sucks. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is James and this is Killing It Country. I haven't put out a whole bunch of videos in the last little while. Why? Well, fact. Making videos in the summertime is more fun than making videos in the wintertime. That's all I'm going to say about that. And I'm sure some of you guys are feeling the same way at this point in the winter. So what are we up to today? One of the first things I want to say, Dana, I haven't forgotten about your t-shirt. I want you to have the size you asked for. So I ordered more stock. It's going to take a little longer than I had originally thought. The price of fuel right now, holy crap. How much is fuel where you are? Right now we're sitting around $1.85 per liter. I don't know what that is in US gallons, but I can put it up there. And maybe something else I can put up there. The temperature today, minus 5 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit. I don't know, like that much. Yeah, the days are getting longer already. The sun is up in the morning a little earlier. The birds are chirping. It's really nice. So today I think I'm just gonna make a few trips to the gas station. I wanna pick up some diesel. I'm gonna fill the Excavator. I'm gonna fill the BX. I'm gonna grab some premium fuel for all of my small power equipment and just have that stuff on standby because, ladies and gentlemen, fuel is not gonna get cheaper. And I think it's gonna get a lot worse this summer. After I'm done topping up the gear, I think I'm going to put the backhoe on the BX. Just get rid of the box scraper for now. I think we're done with that for the season. I just like having the backhoe on that piece of machinery. That tractor is more stable with that accessory on the back. That's all there is to it. So I like to have it on whenever I can. And that's probably going to be a good little video right there. So stick around. It's going to be a good time. It's always a good time. Let's do it. This is diesel, right? Diesel. I got some mail to open. I think I got some stickers in the mail. I'll make another video for that though. Oh, the rink. They had about a month of awesome skating on that thing. I think they really enjoyed it. We are probably going to have negative temperatures this coming weekend, but after that it's all positive temperatures, baby. So I think we're pretty much done with this thing. How do I know if I have the right keys? Nailed it. Multiple Hondas in this family. Multiple sets of very confusing keys. I think I got a brake job coming up on this thing. Pulled up to a set of lights the other day and all I could smell was asbestos. And I did the old touch the steel rim trick, and sure enough, one of the rims was pretty warm, so I got a caliper hanging up or something. But that sounds like a job for warm weather. Oh my goodness, $1.79.9. It's like they're giving it away. And diesel, half of the LED lights are burned out, so I'm not sure. $1.70, oh no, $1.97.9 for diesel. Oh my goodness gracious, I love paying more money for less refined products. All right, let's grab the key to that Mini X and we will run it up at the same time. Check for mice. Nailed it. All right, let's check for mice first. If you're new to the channel, I bought this thing in the spring, I guess, last year. KX040-4. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh look, something's been in here, isn't that nice? Either that or Dad was in here eating peanuts. Oh, nothing in there anymore where that nest used to be. Maybe I should pull the dipstick on this thing once or twice a year. Looks good to me. Friggin' snow. something going on in here. How in the hell would a friggin' squirrel get inside this excavator? Please give me your ideas. Because if there's holes that big, oh yeah, you can see how the controls are kind of grubby with little feet that have been running around all over the place. Oh, turn the radio off. Copyright. Didn't like that very much. All right, let's go get that gas can. A diesel can. Diesel can. I mean, the reality is with the wildlife, I don't know, gonna have to start poisoning or trapping or otherwise dispatching these things. There's really nothing that I can do to keep them out of the equipment. I'm just gonna have to resort to some more medieval methods, I think. It's actually the only thing I hate more than winter. Mice and squirrels. And fuel prices. Where am I gonna put this thing? I can just hear the people now. Don't even bother moving it, it's a waste of time. Probably is a waste of time. But if it just makes me feel a little bit better, it's okay. Good thing I have my Excavator merit badge. Smash the CRV on the way by. 63 hours on this thing. I should look in the manual and see if I have to do anything. Hopefully it says just drive it. Friggin' mice. Squirrels. All right, let's go get more diesel. All right, well, I don't know how much of that you guys were able to see, but I put 40 liters in the Excavator, 20 liters in the BX. I filled up that thing with, I think that holds 53 liters of regular unleaded fuel. It's the afternoon now. I just went for massage. My massage therapist asked me where it hurts, and I told him that it always hurts whenever I stand in front of the fuel pump. So the next thing we're going to do is get this thing off of the BX and put the backhoe back on. So let's get this thing warmed up and outside. Glow plugs. Oh, you know things are looking up when you can start to take the tractor's winter clothes off. So the name of the game now is to connect the hydraulics for the backhoe. Get all my hoses up here where I can see them. So I know this guy goes here. How do you know, James? Well, I just do. I just know. And then this other one here, I get to break this connection and hook these guys into place. Just add the backhoe in line to my control valve that I installed, and everything should work tickety-boo. Which means it'll probably blow up and leak oil everywhere, because it's cold out still. Alright, let's see if this thing will come to life. All right, guys. Well, a little something anyway. The weather is so nice; it feels really, really good to get some of the gear out here in the driveway and imagine what it's going to be like when all this white stuff is gone. It's like 3 or 4 degrees Celsius outside right now. Ed from My Cluttered Garage, 3 degrees Celsius is that much in Fahrenheit. So what did we get done? We got some fuel in the KX. I put 40 liters in this guy, and I put 20 liters in this guy, and we got the backhoe installed, which is much better because the machine is just nicer to operate with all that weight on the back. I don't have the tires loaded on this thing or anything like that. And I did find out where the mice and stuff are getting in this machine. If you lift up this floor mat, you can actually see right down to the ground. So Kubota, if you're listening, why? Why, Kubota? You make it so hard for me to love you. I love you, Kubota, but can we not have holes in our excavators where wild animals can crawl inside and build nests? That'd be super. So, until next time, guys, I hope you're getting some of this sunshine, because man, it is long overdue. We'll see you in the next one.